Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to go about your text to speech converter. I'm going to be talking about three different ways that you can be able to carry out this action. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go into this video. All right, so the first thing you will actually have to do is to go into your search. And okay, wait, I'm just gonna switch this over to my primary monitor. Okay, so here we're in the primary monitor. First thing I have to do is to go ahead and search for OneNote. So OneNote for Windows 10. You can actually just go ahead and start up this program. In case you don't have it, you can just go into the Windows store. You can go into the Microsoft store and you can just get it. It's free to use. So once you're here, you're just going to search for OneNote for Windows 10 and you just open it up. Let's keep this on a full screen. So this is the text that I want to be using for the text to speech. So from here now you can see that I just have my text here. So this is just how to use your OneNote to carry out this action. You have to make sure you have your text here. So you go over to view, and once you're in the view, you're gonna make use of this function called the Immersive reader. So for this Immersive reader, you're just gonna read what's on your what's just the text, whatsoever text is on this your document. Is just going to read it out to you. So this is what it's going to be like when you click on Immersive reader. It's going to come up with this interface, and you're just going to go ahead and just click on play.
Today I'm so excited to show you how to make the best cheesecake.
It's going to stop there, and I'm just going to show you guys one little tip on how you can go about this. You can actually this text is in English. You can actually go over to this part that says reading preferences, and once you click that, you can actually translate this text into another language. Let's say we want to use the Filipino. Okay, once you're just gonna go over to Filipino and you're just gonna click on it, and you have to check on this document so that it's gonna translate the whole document for you. You have to check this box. Okay, so this is just one tip that I just found out, and you can actually just play what's on your screen, and it's just gonna translate it to you in Filipino. So it's trying to.
Ngayon ako kaya nasasabik upang ipakita sa iyo kung paano gumawa ng pinakamahusay na cheesecake recipe ng iyong buhay.
Alright, I'm just gonna stop that there, and we're going to go back to the original. As you can see from here, you can actually switch between the translated language to the original. So we're going to be using the original. So one big question is, how can we get this whole voice into like an MP3 or I'm going to show you guys how to go about that. You're going to be making use of your Windows recorder. You're just going to go over here and you're just going to search for voice recorder. This is a Windows software, and once you open it up, you're just gonna have this nice background. If you don't have any record actually before, you're gonna see a very you're gonna see this record button just at the middle with absolutely nothing in this part. All right, guys, the first thing you have to do once you've opened your recorder, if that's the first time you're using it, you have to go over to your sound setting. You can actually come over to you can actually come over to this part. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna take this, I'm just gonna move this up. All right, so you can see you can actually, from this part, you can actually just right click from this speaker icon, and once you right click there, you're gonna see open sound setting. Once you click on open sound setting, all right, now we can see our sound setting is open here. So all you have to do is to go over to the input, and since we were trying to capture our system sound, you have to modify this input. Okay, so the input is just going to be like the input is just going to be, you're going to edit it, you're going to put it on your stereo mix, and in most cases this stereo mix might not actually be available. All you have to do is to go down to manage sound devices, and you have to go over here and you have to enable this stereo mix. If you can't find it there, it's just going to be on disabled, so you just have to click on it and you click on enable. So once you're done enabling that, once you're done enabling that section, you're just gonna go over to your input, and for this input part you're gonna put it on stereo mix. I don't know if this is gonna affect my actual OBS recording right now, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna put it on stereo mix. Okay, so now it's on stereo mix, and I'm okay. Yeah, it didn't affect my OBS recording. So I'm just gonna go over to close this. I'm gonna start the record, and I'm just gonna hit the record button and go over to the OneNote, and we have to go over to the Immersive reader and click on. I'm gonna wait for this to load up. So once it opens, you're just gonna click on your start recording. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click on play.
Today, I'm so excited to show you how to make the best cheesecake recipe of your.
All right, so guys, that's just it. So if you want to capture actually this voiceover here, you're just gonna use this method I showed you now, and you're just gonna go back to your record, and you're just gonna stop it there. And then once you stop it, you want to try to make some adjustments to the record. You're just going to play it, and actually it's not going to start from the beginning because it took some time. Maybe it's going to take like 10 seconds to begin or more. Okay, so it's going to start maybe around 20 seconds, I guess.
Today, I'm so excited.
Alright, you said around 21.
Today.
Alright, set it around 21. So you're just going to go ahead and trim it up, and you have to bring this all over here down to 21. Okay, and you're just gonna move this back. And
today I'm so excited.
Yeah, so once you're done with that, you can actually just click on this plot. You can click on this part, and you can just save a copy, or you can just update the original. So once you're done saving your file using this Windows recorder, you can go over to your file. Once you open your file, you can actually find it under your document and sound recordings. This is where you can actually find the file that you just recorded. Okay guys, so that's going to be everything about sound recording. All right guys, so the next software I'm going to be talking about here is the Audacity. We have it right here. So with your Audacity, once you download it, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description how you can get that. You're just going to right click, and you're just going to run it as an administrator. And okay, you're going to run it as an administrator. Once you're done with that, the software is just going to open up. I'm just going to click on don't show this again at startup, and I'm going to hit on the OK. So right here we have the Audacity. Put it out on the full screen. So here we have the Audacity. You have to carry out this little setup before you proceed with recording. So for the for this part, you have to it's good, maybe if you just download it for the first time, it's gonna be on MME, so you have to put it on WASAPI. So that's what mine is on currently. And then you're gonna put this recording, you're gonna put it on this section that says speaker, real text, loop back. Make sure you're gonna select this one, loop back. So we're gonna all right guys, so once you're done putting this on your selecting your input, speaker, real text, loop back, all you have to do now is just to hit on the record button. Once you hit the record button, then automatically it's gonna be recording. You go back to your you go back here to your OneNote, and you hit on your Immersive reader, and once it's finally loads, you're just gonna click on the play. And
today I'm so excited to show you how to make the best cheesecake recipe of your life.
Carry out your recording.
Simple, classic, and no water bath required.
Okay, I'm going to stop that there, and you're just going to go back to your Audacity, and you're going to hit stop. So now we have our audio file here. When recording your file, you can go ahead and click on file and click on export, and from here you can save it as mp3 and WAV file and other format. But if you used your Windows recorder, this is what the file format is going to be saving as M4A file, just so in case you know. So once you're done here, you just save your file, and we'll move over to the next software which you can use. You can use that. All right guys, so unlike other recording softwares, it's going to be recording, then we have to go back to OneNote and click on the Immersive reader. All right guys, so this software, it's called Balabolka. This software is really good. You can actually paste your text or whatsoever, and it's just going to convert it to a speech right directly from inside the software. You don't have to go back and forth using your OneNote and stuff like that. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so you can be able to download it. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so once you download your Balabolka and you launch it, this is what it's going to look like. So all you have to do is just to make use of this this part here. You can just paste in your text. All right, as you can see now, we have our text here. You can since you can do with it, you can actually try to change your language here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use other language. So you can from here you can change the rate at which the is going to be reading your text, and from here you can change the pitch, and from here you can adjust the volume, how loud or how slow how loud it's going to be reading out your text. So once you're done with this part, you can actually just click on play. This part you can actually read aloud your text. Let's go and see how it looks like.
Today I'm so excited to show you how to make the best cheesecake recipe of your life.
Okay, that's what it's gonna look like. Alright guys, so after you've done putting up your text here, and if you've played the audio and it's what you're actually looking for, you have to go ahead and just click on file, and once you click on file, you have to go and click down to save audio file, and this is going to come up for you. You have to click on, it's going to be saving it for you as .wav. You can come over here and choose other formats that you want. Just leave it on .wav and just click on save. So once you're done saving that file, you come over here. So as you can see now, this is just our audio file, and once I click on this, I can actually play it, and you can see we have our audio file just there. Oh no, not this. Okay.
Today I'm so excited to show you how to make the best cheesecake recipe of.
All right, so guys, that's just everything about this. So guys, if you find this really interesting, don't forget to drop the like, and you can also drop a comment in the comment section. I really do appreciate that. And once more, you can actually consider subscribing to the channel. So this is the final part of this tutorial, and if you're trying to go about using other languages using this software, you can just go ahead and click on tools, and once you're here in tools, you're just going to go ahead and click on use online TTS service, and once you click that, from here now you can see a bunch of other translators. This is Google, this is Google Cloud, and this is Amazon, this is Baidu, and there are lots of them. I actually prefer using this IBM Watson. So once I click on that, from here now these are the voices. There are lots of voices here. You can see they have a lot of voice samples here that I can actually use. That's why I actually like using this one, the IBM. So once you're done, don't forget that you need to put the audio file name, choose the destination you want to save it down to, and once you're done with all those stuff, this part here, you can't actually listen to, you cannot get a preview of what it's going to sound like. except you're done with the save. You're just gonna go ahead and hit on save, and you can actually go into your file explorer and listen to the outcome. You might actually, yeah, of course you're gonna like what it sounds like. Okay guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you find this video really interesting, drop a like, and you can also write something in the drop a comment in the comment section, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel. Okay guys, peace out. See you.